Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's the 5,000 subs giveaway, and we have had an absolutely huge response. And we've had 833 likes, which means I'm going to give away an extra 8 2011 10-cent coins, and many, many, many comments. In fact, I've had to read these comments, and I've read each and every one of them, and I've absolutely loved reading them. Many of you have gone into great detail, which I've absolutely loved reading those ones. Some of you have kept it really, really short, and but you're all participants, and I've loved each and every comment, and I've really enjoyed spending literally hours reading them. So thank you for all your feedback, and I really, really appreciate it, and that's why I want to do this giveaway, because I really appreciate all your support. I honestly do. I absolutely love it. It's great to get the feedback, and I love just sharing, I suppose, what I've picked up along the way, and send it back out into the coin community. And I hope that it helps to continue in to help you guys continue in your hobby, or it may start something afresh for you. I think there's so much to coin collecting that the actual hobby offers, and while yes, we're talking about money, I don't really look at it as money. For some reason, it's to me, it's so much more than just money, because while it is great that I collect money, and from a financial benefit, it helps me to save, and I've certainly picked that up in some of your comments. It's been interesting just reading what you guys have had to say, and I absolutely love this community, and I think you guys are just, you're so kind with the stuff you guys are commenting back, and you, many of you have commented that you're wishing others best of luck in this competition, and that just grabs me every time I read that. That, you know, there's very little selfish people in this community, and I love it that people are willing to share of themselves, share of their stories, and share of their coins, and help other collectors, which is just awesome. You know, it is a great sort of family environment, and I love it that you're sharing it with children, that children are able to participate. It's a safe environment, and that's what really impacts me. So let's go through what we're giving away. So the first prize is the Great Aussie Coin Hunt set from A to Z. The second place is the, what is it? It's the 5 coins. Yeah, the $2 coins, the Anzac from 2015. That 5 coin bag will be the second place. Third place will be the 2015, I'm trying to remember all these, 2015 5-cent coins. The 2017 5-cent coins for the fourth place. And then I have picked a fifth place, which is the 2015 6-coin uncirculated set, 50th anniversary of the Royal Australian Mint, which I'll be giving away to a comment that I have chosen, which, man, it took me a heck of a lot of time to actually make a choice, and I'll reveal that shortly. But as normal, as I said, sorry, we're going to be giving away 8 additional 2011 10-cent coins, because we did get over 800 likes, which I actually never thought we'd even get over 500. So shocked when I looked today and we saw that we're over 800. So the channel has continued to grow phenomenally over the last, well, even the last 4 or 5 days since this video's been out. I think we've put on well over 1,000, maybe even 1,200 subscribers since then. So thank you to all you guys who have subscribed, even in the past week, and for all you guys who have stuck with me for many years now. Really appreciate that. All you early OG subscribers. It's been a great journey, and I look forward to continuing to put out more videos. Alright guys, so I've put the URL of this video into the random comment picker. It says we have 655 unique comments, so we will go and do the draw now, and the first pick will be our first place winner of the Aussie Coin Hunt set. So we should know that very shortly. Matt Willis, congratulations. Let's read all these comments. G'day PJ, great channel. I would love to win any of the prizes to give to my son, Mini Me, who has a small and not worth much collection, but he's very proud of it. And when he's finished with it, he quickly packs it up and asks me to put it away in my safe so his older sister doesn't get to it. Well, that's awesome. Well, I think, Matt, you're a very worthy winner, and your son is going to be wrapped when this set arrives. So congratulations, Matt. Keep watching, and I'll let you know exactly how to contact me via email shortly. Alright guys, let's get through this. We got second place winner to pick, so which is the $2 coins from 2015. Oh man, how am I supposed to read all these? Scripts and Bloods 2019. Great channel, thanks PJ, very informative and interesting content. I have recommended your channel to many people and continue to refer you to people. So thank you very much, Scripts and Bloods 2019. I need to write this down so that I don't have to go back through this video. Yeah, keep watching, and I look forward to sending those coins out to you. Alright guys, let's keep it rolling. Third place, 2015 5-cent bag. Kyle, I'm going to get these names wrong. Nick Pilov. Entered a few times, would love to win. Appreciate everything you do for this community, PJ. Let's keep the collecting alive in us younger generation. Absolutely, mate. Let's certainly keep it alive. We want the hobby to continue, and I'm looking forward to sending you those 5-cent coins, Kyle. Alright, let's go. Another one. This is the 2017 5-cent coins. Andrew Cohen. I've been collecting for about 3 years hard because I'm visually impaired, but still love it. Alright. Well, this is awesome. I'm very happy to be sending you these coins, Andrew. And now I need to announce our prize for the, which one was it? The 2015 set. Alright, so I've actually chosen this comment here by Jeff Mitchell. I just started noodling with my 8-year-old daughter, thanks to stumbling across your channel, your YouTube channel. Thanks to stumbling across your YouTube channel. To my surprise, she loves it, and I love the quality time we spend together doing it. Cheers, mate, for opening up minds to a great hobby that's not only interesting, holds historical value, but is absolutely fun. Cheers, buddy. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks, Jeff. And yeah, thanks for your comment. And I look forward to sending you the 2015 set. And I look forward to hearing how your 8-year-old daughter loves the set. And I look forward to helping her with her coin collecting. Alright, so we are going on, and we are going to do our 6th place winner, which is going to be the next following winners will all win the 2011 10-cent coin. So let's pick another winner. David C. All he says is alrighty. Congratulations, David C. Alright, let's pick another one. Johnny Hopkins, yes please. Any will do. Good to my collections. Love what you do. It makes me more motivated to collect and collects. Alright, Johnny Hopkins, congratulations. you are getting one of those 2011s. Just writing this down. There we go. All right, let's pick another one. Rosy Cheeks. Thanks for all your hard work. I've just started to collect coins and have a total of 3 coins so far. But with your help, I can learn what to look for. Thank you. Rosy Cheeks, congratulations. You will be receiving a 2011 10-cent coin in the mail very soon. Let's pick another one. Leroy, congratulations. I'll just write down your name. There we go. I've been collecting coins my entire life. As a kid, I explored old abandoned farmhouses for pennies. As a teenager, I found most of my coins working at Safeway. And as an adult, I find them everywhere. The thing I love the most about my coins is when I hold each coin, it transports me back to it in time to when I first found it. Thank you for inspiring me. I would like to make videos like you. I can't wait to show you some of my coins. Well, that'd be cool actually. So yeah, make a video, put it up on YouTube. I'll certainly watch, as will others. Alright guys, let's keep it going. This is our 10th coin giveaway. Anthony Roberts, congratulations. Recently stumbled upon your channel because I found one of those coloured $2 coins and wanted to find out what it's worth. 10 videos later, wife and I went through $1,000 worth of $2 coins, lol. Always have an interest, but knew nothing about it. Well, Anthony, thank you for commenting, and I'm glad you and your wife have found the hobby and are able to enjoy it together. Alright guys, let's pick another winner. Lockstar. eBay is so dead. I don't know. I think eBay is still alive. But Lockstar, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going on with that comment. But anyway, Lockstar, you have been randomly chosen. So yeah, make sure you contact me. Alright, let's pick another winner, guys. Keely G. Been collecting coins for a couple of years now. Discovered your channel a few months ago and haven't missed a video since. Congratulations on reaching 5K. Thanks, Keely G. Keely G. Okay, you're written down. Let's pick another winner. Junkify. Enjoy the info you are sharing. Thanks. Alright, Junkify. I will be sending you a coin as well. Now, technically I've got 2 more 10-cent coins left, and look, I think I've absolutely loved all your comments, and whilst we're meant to stop right there, I think let's give away another 2 more, and that'll make 15 prizes all together. So let's pick another 2. Neuro165, congrats on the 5K subs. So Neuro, you have just won yourself one of these coins as well. Neuro 165, what was I saying? Anyway, Neuro165. Alright, let's pick another winner, and this will be the final winner for today, guys. Strike 777, going great, PJ. Your videos always get me motivated to do more collecting. Keep it up. Alright, and Strike 777 is our final winner, and congratulations to you. Alright guys, that is it for this particular giveaway. I'm sorry if you're unsuccessful this time. There are certainly many comments that are worthy of receiving prizes, but I hope someday that I'll be able to give more and more out. And I thank you for your support of the channel. It really helps, and I look forward to being able to give away more and more as the channel grows. So continue to watch and continue to support, continue to like, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video soon.